People always ask me, do I think tarot cards work? And my biggest, strongest answer is yes, they do. And here's the neuroscience for why they work. Also, hi, if you're new here, my name is Dr. Bianca Flores. I have my PhD in neuroscience and I love reading tarot cards. If you can see, you are looking at a bunch of different images in tarot cards. In fact, I would argue you don't even need to use tarot cards. You could easily draw your own cards with your own symbols and shuffle them in a deck to see what makes the most sense to you. But what you're using is your prefrontal cortex, which is often used for decision making and pattern recognition, which is why when two tarot card readers look at the same card, they can often have different interpretations because we have different ways of making decisions and different ways of interpreting. It's simply using another tool to help better understand yourself. When you read tarot cards, it's very similar to when you're telling a story or maybe when you are doing a puzzle, when you're trying to connect a pattern. So there is a science in understanding tarot cards. Now, most people argue that they can't read tarot cards for themselves. This is just a blockage because you're able to read for yourself, you're able to, for example, read a book, you're also able to maybe do a puzzle by yourself. Now, where the blockage comes in is probably likely anxiety induced. Feel free to follow along to learn how to read for yourself and how to interpret with confidence.